Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be practicing painting. I haven't painted in a while. I have a watercolor set that my best friend bought me, as well as a watercolor booklet with the specific paper you need. The video I'll be following is from Wonder Forest. It's going to be to paint these flowers here. They're pretty simple. It's just a really cute, neat something to do during this quarantine. It is a beginner tutorial. I do not paint on a regular basis, but I own everything crafty to do so. So let's jump in. The first thing she has us do for the flowers is to put most of your color on the tip. You're going to do an up and down motion, going back and forth, just getting all of your color to the center of your flower. You're going to do 4 petals on each flower, so keep that in mind and just keep pushing the color to the center. I am gonna go ahead and go over them one more time because it isn't bright enough for me, but some people like it really light. It's totally up to you, especially for video purposes. It's gonna be a little brighter. It's gonna need to be a little brighter. Alright, and after the petals, she has us add some little black dots into the center of the flowers. And here we're gonna add some eucalyptus leaves. I'm using different shades of greens, even some yellows, more olive tone greens, and then even a couple blues, just to give it some layers. One of my issues that I have with painting is doing too thick of lines. So a trick I did learn, which maybe you're not even supposed to, but I just go through with water and I kind of stroke over where I don't want the color anymore, and it does kind of fade away some. It is still kind of there, but it fades away enough to where it looks good to me, and that's what counts. I did mess up on this flower over here, so I am going to go through with just water to try and get it off, and then I'm going to add more pink to it. This is our ending project in the light. You can see I got it too wet here, but for the first try, I think it looks pretty good. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you're finding things to do to stay sane during this quarantine. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.